We've been telling you about it for days now. A major construction project starting today on US 131. And this section of the highway going to be backed up today. You want to know about that. In 24-hour News 8's Amanda Jarrett live along 131 right now with a look at what you need to know. Good morning, Amanda.
Good morning, Brett. That's right. We're right along US 131 and the Ann Street off-ramp. That's where you're going to see some of these changes. Now, here's what you can expect. At least one lane will be closed on US 131 northbound during this project. You may see two lanes closed some nights and weekends and some ramp closures. Well, let's get right to this map this morning. We want to show you how this is going to affect your drive. Now, this is the area between Leonard Street and Ann Street along US 131. That's where you're going to see these slowdowns. And this is all going to start today. Here's what's happening. MDOT is putting in a new merge lane by connecting the Leonard Street on-ramp to the Ann Street off-ramp on northbound 131. Also, the ramp from eastbound I-196 to northbound US 131 will also be closed. In case you're wondering, that's exit 77A. Now, MDOT tells us they're doing this project to help with traffic congestion and to make things safer for you on the road. There's also some more work happening on the Ann Street Bridge and our railroad bridges. The $7 million project is expected to last until September 25th, so you're going to notice some changes on your drive. Now, even with rain in the forecast that Storm Team 8 is talking about, MDOT says they will go ahead and start this project today. Coming up at 6:45, we're going to talk live to John Richard with MDOT about this project and more about what you need to know, so stay with us. We're live in Grand Rapids. Amanda Jarrett, 24-hour News 8.
Well, it's 6:44 right now. We've been telling you all about it all morning long. A big construction project on US 131 set to get underway today.
And as you can expect, you're going to want to give yourself some extra time for delays. Amanda's live along the highway this morning. She's talking with John Richard with MDOT about why they decided to start this project now. Amanda?
Good morning, Brett and Emily. That's right. That big construction project all starts at 9 o'clock this morning. It is going to affect your drive here on US 131. We're here live with John from MDOT. Kind of talk a little bit about what we can expect today.
A single left lane closure on northbound 131 from 196 to Ann Street. Those are just on weekdays, and then double lane closures on the weekends. Now also, since we're taking that left lane on northbound, we have to shut down the eastbound 196 ramp to northbound 131, and that detour is just going up to College, hopping on westbound to pick up northbound.
And talk a little bit about why you guys wanted to start this now. I mean, even if we get a little rain, you said you're going to get this going because it's a pretty big project and some good changes coming.
Yeah, we're usually on 131 because of the budget only in maintenance, doing maintenance projects. But this one is actually going to improve operations to northbound 131 by connecting the Leonard Street on-ramp to the Ann Street off-ramp. So it's adding a weave merge lane, and it really improves operations just in general. It creates a safer environment for people to get on and off the expressway.
So it is going to make traffic move a little smoother, but again, it's going to be a few months here in the making and a little bit of some slowdowns we were talking about.
Yeah, anytime you take a lane away from a stretch of road that gets 50,000 cars a day, it's going to be a slowdown. So if motorists can take an alternate route or just add a little bit more time to their commute, that'll really be helpful. And plus, you can always go to our website at michigan.gov/MDOT. And the My Drive feature is really convenient. You can check out current and future lane closures throughout the state.
That's great. And of course, we have that map for you as well between Leonard and Ann Street. We're going to see those slowdowns. And there are some other projects going on as well, some railroad bridges and things like that.
Yeah, to accommodate the weave merge lane, you have to widen the bridges over Richmond Street as well as the bridge over the railroad tracks at Mill Creek. So this project, the 196 project, the market, and then of course the 28th Street project are the biggest ones of the year.
All right, very busy. Thanks so much for joining us this morning, John.
You bet.
And again, this project's set to go until mid-September. So this construction project started at 9 o'clock this morning. Live in Grand Rapids, Amanda Jarrett, 24-hour News 8.